This baby impala was literally just born. But unlike a human baby, this creature will soon get up and walk, even though she's just moments old. Come on, newborn impala, you're doing great. The mother gives her some encouraging licks. Then she's up. Well, she's gathering her strength, and will she make it? Yes! She's standing. This newborn is standing up already. Now, let's look at newborn people. Babies. So adorable and yet so useless. They can't walk, they can't feed themselves, they are completely dependent. As any sleepy parent knows, human babies need 24-hour care to survive. Contrast that with animal babies. Many hoofed animals get up and walk within an hour or two of being born. So, why can newborn animals walk, but we can't? Our lazy human babies better have an excellent excuse. Well, scientists studying this phenomenon have recently found some answers. Baby giraffes are up and around within an hour of being born. Baby horses take 90 minutes. Human babies lie around helplessly screaming. Why can't we walk soon after birth like other mammals? For a long time, we assumed that the reason it took us so much longer to develop than other mammals was that we are smarter and busy learning more than other animals. The idea was that we're learning a lot of important human stuff while simultaneously developing our motor skills. And it takes more time to grow into a big human smarty pants. Presumably learning to smear carrots on the family cat is a complicated skill. We might not always do great things with them, but we do have big brains. Now, since big brains won't fit through the birth canal, we're born with underdeveloped brains. Our brains nearly double in size in our first few years after birth, which may or may not be good news for the family cat. A team of researchers at Lund University in Sweden studied the relationship between brain size, limb biomechanics, and the onset of walking for 24 mammal species, including chimpanzees, guinea pigs, sheep, camels, and us. And it turns out there is some truth to brain size impacting development times. However, it's not related to intelligence so much as to biomechanics. What our skeletons, muscles, nerves, and ligaments require to walk differs from that of other mammals and is more complicated. The Swedish scientists developed a model for understanding the onset of walking. This model predicts the first steps based on two factors. The first is brain mass, which indicates the time it takes for a brain to develop. Heavier brains take longer to grow and tend to be more elaborate. The second factor is whether a creature's heels touch the ground. Creatures like us, who use the full length of our feet to stand, take longer to develop. Standing with heels on the ground is called the plantigrade stance. This stance takes physical and mental attributes to achieve, qualities that other mammals don't need. Our limbs are more biomechanically complex than those of horses, whose heels don't touch the ground. According to the new research, it requires more brain power to develop and operate the plantigrade stance. So our brain mass and physical complexity are why we take so long to walk compared to other mammals. Standing up and walking within hours of being born. That's what makes hoofed animals crazy creatures.